Spanish Coast has some amazing towns oozing with Mediterranean charm where life is truly lived rather than chased. But is there such thing as a perfect town? How do you even describe a perfect town? Well, this town comes very close. Superb beaches, authentic Spanish vibe, with squares and everything is in walking distance. And yes, we found our favorite Japanese curry here. But it does fall short on one thing though. Let's take a deep dive.
Just 30 minutes from Malaga airport and packed with beaches, culture and fun, Fuengirola offers all that and more. In this video, we will show you why Fuengirola could become your next favorite destination or even a place to call home.
We are in Fuengirola now. We have just parked the car at the Miramar shopping center, which is the biggest shopping center on the whole of Costa del Sol and my favorite one as well. Now we are in the promenade, which has amazing vibe. Throughout the years, even in winter, it has amazing vibe. It's filled with hotels upon hotels, people watching from the balconies, beautiful Mediterranean Sea, chiringuitos serving fresh fish. We're gonna take you to the town, show you the beautiful beach and the castle at the end as well. But first, let me tell you about something that happens at the beginning of May every year. It's a festival which involves countries from around the world putting up stalls with amazing vibe. We went there a few weeks ago, only I think 3 weeks ago, and absolutely loved it. We're gonna come back every year, but let me show you how it was like. Oh my God, this is so cool. I've always wanted to go to so many different Latin American countries to experience their beautiful culture. But being here in this one little street, there's a lot of Latin American countries and there's so much variety. And it's like a big street party over here.
I really like it, and it goes up until 4 o'clock in the morning.
Wow, I can imagine how much dancing will be going on here. Oh, there we go, that's British.
It's got a Spanish number plate.
Let's get some fish and chips. There was a good vibe going on, so I quite
everyone
nice.
was happy and dancing. Yeah, I like that.
Brazil, here we are. Oh my God, the energy in this Brazilian house.
I think the Brazilian one is my favorite.
And then we went to Romanian stall. And let's just say we need to go Romania soon.
Fuengirola is also very famous for its beautiful beaches, and one of the most popular ones is Los Boliches. In Los Boliches, you will see a very nice vibe and also lots of chiringuitos for you to have an amazing meal with your friends and family. The chiringuitos in this area are famous for the fresh fish, and you will see lots of them with a little boat that they're actually grilling the fish in the promenade. But first, let's go and check out the beach. Straight away, one of the first things I like about this beach is the sun. There are so many beaches on Costa del Sol where the sun is a bit darker or it's a bit more stony. And for my liking, I come from the Cádiz province where the beaches are golden sun. This is the most similar color and the most similar texture that you see in Costa de la Luz in Cádiz. Beaches in Fuengirola is not just about sunbathing or swimming in the Mediterranean Sea. There are lots of water activities, as you can see behind me. One of the things in my bucket list is doing jet ski. I'm a bit scared of it, but if you have done it before, especially in Fuengirola, let us know in the comments below. I love the dramatic view of the mountains. You see the city behind you. You can actually spot Benalmádena not far from here. And you can come here any time of the day. And my favorite part actually is coming around 7 o'clock because it's just before sunset. It's actually a lot calmer and the sunset view from here is gorgeous.
Right in the promenade, they have this beautiful kids area. You can leave your kids in the play area and enjoy the drink or two at the bar. A few minutes walk from the port, you have Hotel Puerto, which has amazing rooftop bar with such stunning views of the Mediterranean Sea. We went there to record our first video about Fuengirola, which you can see the link in the description below. Now we want to see what's it like in the bright afternoon. It's time to leave the promenade and head into the town. The Fuengirola town centre is not massive. It's very built up, very much urban, but it's quite small.
Probably you can walk from one end to another in probably just over an hour.
Yeah.
And obviously if you want to stop and admire the view, it will take you longer. But it's not massive, it's just built up. There are lots of flats, lots of buildings.
Now we are heading towards the Plaza Constitución, which is the main square of the town. But this street right now here where we are, let me show you quickly. This is the food street. We're gonna come back later on to show you the food street and the vibe at night as well. But for now, let's head to the Plaza Constitución. One of the things about Fuengirola is that it's a hotspot for expats. There's a huge expat community, especially the British one. They came around, I think around the 70s, and from that point onwards, it's filled with expats.
And also now the Finnish community is growing a lot in Fuengirola as well.
To be honest, I don't blame them because with the beaches like that and the vibe, it's absolutely amazing. For us, it's a bit too touristic and
it's the flats actually, and we are crossing estate agents now.
Okay.
So let's have a look at the prices for a flat here. Okay. All right. So, well, 230,000 euros.
Okay.
With sea views.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Then penthouse, 243,000 euros.
So the 200.
But it's only one room. One room.
Yeah.
Let's see 2 rooms because we need at least 2 rooms. So that's 2 rooms. Yeah, 2 rooms with sea views, 240,000 euros. That looks quite nice. Then another 2 rooms, 220,000. But it's quite cheap.
It's very cheap.
2 bedroom, 340. So I think it's safe to say that it's cheaper than other areas like Marbella and Estepona. However, you don't get the sort of development we're looking for, like urbanization with gardens and swimming pool. If you want that, you need to pay a bit more. And it's very similar to the prices you've seen in Estepona and Marbella.
But to be honest, I think the prices here are very cheap for the location, quality of the sand.
I mean, 240,000 euros for a 2-bedroom with sea views. That is one of the cheapest we've seen in Costa del Sol.
Absolutely. Now we are in the Plaza Constitución. It doesn't look as busy as it normally is, but still a great, beautiful square. And that's the church over there.
Yeah,
and
I think we should come back later in the evening to see the night vibe. Because it's merienda time, it's around 6:30 right now, so people should be having a coffee with some cakes and teas. But it's a bit quiet. I think because it's quite warm today, most of the people are at the beach. But Plaza Constitución, I really like this because it has an amazing vibe, especially during Christmas time.
Oh, yes.
During Christmas time, they have the stalls here. They actually put sometimes, well, every time we come, we didn't see it, but they just end up doing it. But the snow,
the fake snow, they throw fake snow.
And it's actually very nice, very, very Christmassy. The whole town of Fuengirola is very Christmassy at Christmas.
Great Christmas vibe.
In Fuengirola, it's not just the promenade that offers a lot of options for you to wine and dine. Also, in the town center, you will see lots of options, bars, restaurants, pubs, but also the town center is like an open-air shopping center. In Fuengirola, you will find the biggest shopping center, Miramar, but in the town center, there are lots of boutique shops, lots of jewelry shops. We want to explore them a little bit because, as you know, Arsenal and I, we love a bit of shopping, and we're going to explore what are the bargains we can get here.
What I like about Fuengirola is that it's got the vibe or the feeling of like a big city. It's a small town, but it has a really buzzing vibe. because we live in Marbella and it gets a bit boring sometimes. We want to feel like a buzz of a city sometimes, and we drive all the way to Malaga to feel that. But here, living across the beach, you don't feel that. You have always something going on here. And when you actually want to go to a bigger city, Malaga is just down the road. It takes about half an hour on the trains. The station is just down there. We're going to take you there in a minute as well. Whoa, it's a Japanese curry house. If you have seen our latest Gibraltar video, you will know that we are absolutely crazy about chicken katsu curry. It's a Japanese curry which is actually our favorite food in London. And we've been looking all over Costa del Sol, could not find it. We just found it. They're not open yet, but we're gonna come back later in the evening to try and see if it's the same katsu curry. And if it is, oh my God, we'll be coming back to Fuengirola quite a lot. Stay tuned.
Just under 10-minute walk from Plaza Constitución, we bring you here to Fuengirola's main train station. From here, you can take a train all the way to the airport. It runs every 30 minutes and it takes you 30 minutes to get there. And the price is only 2 to 3 euros. That's no brainer. We live in Marbella and every time we need to go to the airport, it takes us an hour each way. If we had a train station near Marbella, we would definitely be going there on a train. Also, if you want to go to the capital of Costa del Sol, Malaga, which is a lot bigger and lots more options of activities and fun, you can stay on the same train line and 2 or 3 more stops will take you to Malaga town centre. So you can go in the morning to the beach, have lunch here in Fuengirola, then jump on a train, go for dinner in Malaga and then come back in the evening to your hotel in Fuengirola or to your home in Fuengirola if you decide to move here.
Fuengirola has everything. Beautiful beaches, amazing Spanish vibe, and beautiful views as well. But one thing that is missing is suitable housing. It's very built up, and what we are looking for is more of a resort style living with beautiful gardens, like an urbanization style, not just one, a few. It just opens up the space, and Fuengirola lacks that. If you're coming for a visit, this is a perfect place.
At the end of Fuengirola's promenade, we bring you here to Sohail Castle. It sits on a hill, 38 meters high. When you go inside, you're welcomed with amazing panoramic views of Costa del Sol. It is free to enter, but please, if you come in during the summer months, keep in mind the castle might be closed, because this castle hosts one of the biggest music festivals in all Costa del Sol, Mare Nostrum. This year's lineup includes artists like Carl Cox or even Prodigy. If you want to get tickets, be quick because they tend to sell out very quickly. Imagine being in a music festival, enjoying the music inside a Moorish castle.
I like how they utilize this outdoor space for a family area. Everybody coming together, their youngsters, kids exercising, basically utilizing this outdoor space. This is a skate park and they've got a lovely cafe in the middle as well. It's creating a lovely vibe. Down there is the river, which is also being utilized and turned into like a cycling path. People are walking, enjoying the evening time area. It's absolutely lovely. Now we're heading towards the shopping center, Miramar, which is just over there. Come on. Actually, it's here. This is Miramar, the biggest shopping center in Costa del Sol. They have amazing variety of shops, Carrefour supermarket as well, and my favorite, the cinema, the best cinema in Costa del Sol. Come on, let's go and check it inside. With the sunset, atmosphere changes completely. For a Tuesday night, bars are busy and restaurants starting to fill up. It feels lively. We are back at the food street and there's lots of vibe even though it's Tuesday night. And there's some football match going on and everybody's watching that. We're not gonna eat here though because we found katsu. So we're making our way to katsu place. Finally, the moment is here. I'm so excited and hungry as well. I've done like literally just under 30,000 steps. So this is gonna be worth it. Let's see. Wow, there's lots of sauce. Oh, it does look very dark, just like the ones we used to have in London. Look at that. Whoa, that's a lot of sauce as well.
The same?
Just like London. Oh my God, so much better than Wagamama. Oh, I'm coming here so much, honestly. Every time we're gonna have a katsu craving, I'm coming here. Literally, I thought there's no place on the earth where we can find katsu like London. You have to try this, come on.
Let's have a look. We tried this so many times at home, but buying the katsu sauce from the supermarket, it never tastes the same, never.
It's better, isn't it?
It's exactly the same as in the UK, or even better, I think.
Even better, I think. Oh wow, it's very strong flavors. This has.
Yeah, this is chicken katsu in Fuengirola. I think this is gonna be a winner for us. I think we might consider
100%.
moving here just because of this.
100%. From the moment we visited Fuengirola for the first time, we have fallen in love with this town for its beautiful beaches, lovely vibe in the town center, and amazing views like this one. And after today, finding our favorite food here as well is making it even better for us. From the beautiful beaches of Fuengirola, we will see you next time from another great location in Spain. Hasta luego!